Hi everyone. Today I'm breaking down something huge that's happening in India. The government has decided to count everyone's caste in next census. So on April 30th, the government announced that they are going to ask everyone in India about their caste in upcoming national population count. The next census is actually overdue. It was supposed to happen in 2021, but it got delayed due to COVID. And it's now expected to take place around late 2025 or early 2026. And for the first time since 1931, it will include complete caste count. That's almost 100 years. Think about it. The last time India counted all the caste, we were still under British rule. Gandhi was still leading the freedom movement, and most of our grandparents were not even born yet. Since independence, our government has only counted scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. They have never counted other backward classes, OBCs, or other caste groups. So we have been in dark about the actual numbers. Why should we care? Well, caste still affects almost everything in India. Jobs, education, who people marry, even where they can live. All our policies around reservation are based on super old data from before independence. Just imagine if we were still using maps from 1931 to plan today's highway. Sounds crazy, right? But that's basically what we have been doing with our social policies. Let me tell you a quick story that shows why these numbers matter so much. Back in 1980, there was something called Mandal Commission. It recommended that 27% of the government job and university seats should be reserved for OBCs. They based this data on the very old 1931 data, which said that OBC were about 52% of the Indian population. Then Prime Minister VP Singh finally implemented these recommendations in 1990, and it caused massive protest across India. Students were so upset that they even set themselves on fire in the protest. There were huge demonstrations everywhere. It completely changed Indian politics. But here's the crazy part. So all of this fighting and policy making was based on population data from 1931. We were making life-changing decisions, policy without actually knowing how many people belong to which group. Stay tuned for part 2, where I will explain why we didn't count castes earlier and how 2024 elections change everything.